Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today we will discuss about multiplication of decimals. Okay, your topic is multiplying by 10, 100 and 1000. So for this topic we will apply some basic point. Your first point is multiply a decimal by 10. For this rule, the statement is move the decimal point one place to the right. Suppose you have one decimal number 1.23 into 10. So what we will do? According to statement, move the decimal point one place to the right. 1.23 into 10. What is the answer for this question? This is the decimal point and we will move the decimal point one place to the right. That's why in 10 number of 0 is 1. In 10 number of 0 is 1. So what we will do? Move the decimal point one place to the right. What is your answer? 12.3. 12.3 is your required answer. Okay. Suppose you have one more question. 4.765 into 10. What is the answer? In 10 number of 0 is 1. So what we will do? Move the decimal point. Move the decimal point one place to the right. Move the decimal point one place to the right. As you are looking, in first condition decimal point is before 7. Decimal point is in before 7. After multiplying, what we will get? Decimal point after 7. Decimal point will move one place to the right. The meaning is decimal point after 7. So your answer will be 47.65. Okay. Suppose your next question is 5.987 multiplied by 10. In 10 number of 0 is 1. So what we will do? We will move the decimal point one place to the right. As you are looking in this question, decimal point is before 9. Okay. After multiplication by 10, what we will get? Position of decimal point will change. Therefore answer is 59.87. 59.87 is required answer of the given question. Okay. Your next topic is multiply a decimal by 100. We will apply the statement move the decimal point two places to the right. Move the decimal point two places to the right. That's why in 100 number of 0 is 2. Okay. Your question is 0.4 into 100. 0.4 we can write 0.400 into 100. Okay. In question, as you are looking, decimal point before 4. Decimal point is in before 4. After multiply, what we will get? Position of decimal point will change. So your answer will be, this is the decimal point, first place and second place. After multiply by 100, we will get 40.0. 40.0 means 40. 40 is your required answer. Your next question is 1.234 into 100. 1.234 into 100. In 100 number of 0 is 2. In 100 number of 0 is 2. So what we will do? We will move the decimal point two places to the right. We will move the decimal point two places to the right. How? Look here. As you are looking, decimal point is before 2, decimal point is before 2, and after multiplication decimal point, position of decimal point will change. Therefore this is the decimal point. After multiplication position of decimal point will change, that is after 2 digit. That's why what is the statement? Move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Okay, so 1.234 into 100 we will get 123.4, 123.4. okay, this is your required answer. As you are looking in question, decimal point is in before 234, and after multiplication what we will get? Position of decimal point will change. Your required answer is 123.4, 123.4. okay, your question number point 3 is, your third point is multiply a decimal by 1000. Multiply a decimal by 1000. We will apply the statement move the decimal point 3 places to the right according to the number of 0 in 1000. Number of 0 in 1000 is 3, so move the decimal point 3 places to the right. How? Look here. Your question is 0.002 into 1000. okay, so what is the answer? We will move the decimal point 3 places to the right. How? Look here. This is first place, second place and third place. okay, according to the number of 0 in 1000 we will move the decimal point 3 places to the right. Therefore your answer will be 2.000 or 2. This is your required answer. okay, your next question is 1.537 into 1000. In 1000 number of 0 is 3, so we will move the decimal point to 3 places to the right. How? Look here. 1.537 into 1000 we will move the decimal point 3 places to the right. How? Look here. First place, second place and third place. okay, so your answer will be 1537. 1537 is your required answer. Your next question is 4.6789 into 1000. In 1000 number of 0 is 3, so we will move the decimal point 3 places to the right. How? Look here. This is the position of decimal point in question. okay, after multiplication we will get, this is the decimal point and we will move the decimal point 3 places to the right. How? Look here. This is first place, second place and third place, so your answer will be 4678.9, 4678.9. this is your required answer. okay, my dear students, so this is the basic point about multiplication of decimal. I hope that these basic points will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.